Hello guys, what's up? This is Natalie again from Serpstat, and I'm back with another video about Serpstat and its tools and features. But before we head on over to serpstat.com, I just want to give you a quick information about what our offers are here in Serpstat. So if you are looking for an actionable free SEO audit that you can get in less than 37 or in less than a minute rather, then we have that one for you. So all you need to do is to just input your information here and then click on the button down below. And then another thing that we want you to take advantage of is this free guide that can show you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional thousands of dollars per month on autopilot. So all you need to do here for this one is to just input your first name and your email and then click on this button here. And of course, don't forget, if you want to sign up to our mailing list as well, click on this box so that you can get the updates directly sent to your email. So now let's head on over to serpstat.com because actually this one is quite an interesting and exciting topic for me. Actually for just generally for anyone who deals with content. So as a content writer myself, this is something that I do look forward to, which is of course, AI tools that can help us when we are writing content. So, what we're going to do for this one is I'm going to be dividing this specific, section into a couple of videos, maybe 2 or 3 because they're quite a lot. And although we won't be able to really, use them as is, because every usage would then correspond to credits being charged to us. So what we're gonna do is to just go or get a run through so that we can talk about what it does and how you can fully maximize this tool whenever you are whenever you need to. So for this specific one, it's the title generation, or a tool that can generate title for site pages with the help of artificial intelligence. So we are all familiar with how AI is very involved in content making nowadays. So with the help of these tools, we'll then be able to have better and faster ways to get content done. So for this one, it's title generation. So you get to select what language you want to use. However, for this specific tool, it's just available in English. So you input the text that you want to analyze here. So it has to be English as per discretion or as per what they mentioned here. So it can be up to 1,000 characters, and then you can generate a title after you input the text. So maybe a paragraph or something, and then the tool itself will be generating the title for that one. So generated title will come out here, and then request history will be on this part of the screen. So moving on, let's go to description generation. Let's see what comes out. So description generation is it will charge credits as well. So be careful with these because you may be running out of credits and you're not aware of it. Also, you need to have adequate credits to use this tool. So what you're gonna do is enter your Serpstat API token here. So you can get that in your profile, and then from then on you'd be able to utilize your tool. So you need to enter your API token first so that you can use a specific function. For the next ones, we'll be talking about them in a separate video so that it's not all crumpled up in one long video. But yep, that's it for this specific one, and please tune in to the rest of the videos that we have for Serpstat and we have prepared for you so that you can get familiar with all the tools and features that they offer. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next video.